Welcome you all to Dishan De Silva YouTube channel. කොහොමද ඔයාටම කියලා virtual private server එකක් නැත්නම් VPS එකක් setup කරගන්න කියලා දැනගන්න කැමතිද? So my dear seekers, එහෙනම් join වෙන්න අද digital journey එකත් එක්ක. Hello and welcome. I'm Dishan De Silva. In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a complete virtual private server or VPS with a web server, Apache, a database MySQL, and PHP step by step. This video is not just for my CHN assignment, but also a full beginner friendly tutorial you can follow easily. So let's get started. First, what is a VPS? A virtual private server is a virtual machine you rent online. It's like having your own personal computer on the internet, where you can host websites, run apps, or store data 24/7. So why use a VPS? It gives you full control, better security, custom configuration, and it's affordable. In this project, we'll create a web app environment using Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Let's move on to the setup. First of all, we must go to this website www.vpsserver.com. Then click sign up and create a free account. After that, we have to verify our email. Then have to add a billing profile as well. This is our dashboard. Now go to My Clouds, Servers, and then click Create New Server button. In here, I select Asia and Singapore. You must choose the closest to your location. Then I select Ubuntu and its latest version from here. Because it's work perfectly with Apache, MySQL, and PHP, and it's ideal for beginners setting up a server. In here, I select General from type, 2 from CPU, 2 GB from RAM, and 15 GB from SSD. And in here, I select Symbol Mode and Public Internet Network. Now, we have to set a password and a name for our VPS. Finally, if this green color tick appears, it means it is valid and accepted. Then I select hourly billing cycle from here. After all of these steps, we have to click on this green color Create Server button. Once it's live, you'll see key info like IP, CPU, RAM, and storage at a glance. Track the setup progress in the status column, watch it go from queued to success. Need a break? Use the actions menu to stop the server, or ready to roll again, just hit the start to bring it back online. To connect to our VPS, we use SSH, it means a secure shell. On Windows, we can download and use PuTTY. On macOS or Linux, just open your terminal. After the downloading, open PuTTY and enter your VPS IP, port as 22 and connection type as SSH. Then click Open. Now, type root as the username to here. Then you have to type your password and press enter button. In here, type yes and again press enter button. In here, you have to type your server IP and press enter. Apache is our web server. Let's install it. In here, you have to run this CLI command sudo apt update. This updates the package list to ensure you install the latest versions of software. Then type sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list. After that, I copy paste these lines to here. Then press Ctrl or enter Ctrl X and again run the CLI command sudo apt update. In this step, you have to just type yes and press enter. Now, to check status, we can use the CLI command, and also there is a CLI command to start. Now, we can test this through our browser. Just type your VPS IP address on the address bar and press enter. Then you will see Apache to Ubuntu default page successfully. Now, we're gonna install MySQL. MySQL is a database system. First of all, run this CLI command sudo apt-get install MySQL server and press enter button. After the installation, run the CLI command sudo mysql u root p, and then you can set your root password by using this command. Then change the plugin using this command. Then we're gonna create a database named VPS using this query. After that, I have created a table named user with using this query. Then I have inserted sample data using this query. Now we're gonna install PHP. PHP lets our website connect to the database. Install it with sudo apt get install PHP 7.4 command. Then it asks, do you wanna continue? Just type Y and press enter button. In here, we're gonna create a file to test PHP using these command lines, and then add this line as well, and save it pressing Ctrl or enter Ctrl X. Now we install PHP modules using this command. Finally, you can see the PHP info page. It's working. Oh, wait a minute. To visit this page, you have to type this on address bar of your web browser. Then you can remove test files using this command. Now I'm gonna create a login page. Then I have loaded data to frontend using these code lines. So this is the user table. Yeah, that's it. Now you have a VPS, Apache web server, MySQL database with users data, PHP for dynamic pages, all set up using just your terminal. Here are some pro tips for you. Always keep your system updated. Use secure passwords. Delete test files like info.php. This video is part of my university assignment, but also a resource for anyone learning VPS setup. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks for watching and happy hosting. Again, thank you.